Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection in Nepal. If you're experiencing a no internet connection error in TikTok in Nepal, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. Try loading other websites or apps to confirm that your internet connection is working properly. Or you could try restarting your TikTok app. First open it and simply close it off from the screen, and this can sometimes resolve temporary issues. Or you could also try restarting your device. Restart your smartphone or tablet to refresh its network connection and system processes. Or you could also try clearing the TikTok cache. Press the TikTok app like this, go to the app information, go to the storage and cache, and in the bottom there's a clear cache option. Simply tap on that. And make sure you are using the latest version of the TikTok app. In order to do that, go to the Play Store app, and in the top there's a search icon option. Tap on that and look out for the TikTok and open it. And simply tap on the update option if it's showing in your Play Store or the App Store for the iOS. Or you could also disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, you could try disabling it, as it may be affecting your ability to connect to TikTok as well. And if none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be more specific problem with TikTok or your device that requires further investigation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix TikTok no internet connection in Nepal. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.